How I use the present simple in my daily life. Hello everyone, how are you? Today I want to share with you how I use the present simple in my daily life. This verb tense is in English is one of the most important, and it's used to talk about habits, routines, likes, and general truths. Uh, truths, and the best way to learn it is by using real examples from our own lives. For example, I can say, I wake up at 7. That means I wake up at 7. It's something I do every day, so it goes in the present simple. Then I say, I take a shower and I have breakfast. Uh, this is part of my routine, so it also use the present simple. When I study English, I use phrases like I read a short story, I listen to English audio, I practice vocabulary. All of these are things I do frequently. I also say I watch movies in English, I write new words in my notebook, and when I talk about things I like, I say I like reading, I like talking to my friends, and if I talk about things I always enjoy, I use phrases like I love nature, I enjoy quiet places. Something else I do is write short sentences about my day using the present simple. uh, that helps me remember the structure and practice with real life examples. Uh, the present simple is everywhere in what you do, what you like, what you don't like, and what you think about the world. That's why it's so useful and learning to use it well. Is a very important step uh, to speaking English with confidence. Thanks for watching this video. Tell me in the comments what present simple phrases do you use in your daily life. See you very soon.